Hey guys, welcome to our channel. From today we are going to start our tutorial of Tkinter Python, in which mainly we will learn about Tkinter GUI, graphic user interface. Okay, we are not going in detail that much, but we will cover up to so that we can make our project easily. Okay, so as you can see guys, Python provides various options for GUI. One is Tkinter, another one is WXPython, and third one is JPython. But we are going to mainly focus on Tkinter. Okay. So first of all guys, we are going to make our Tkinter window. So for that, first we will write from Tkinter. We will import, Tkinter. We will import star. Okay, means we will import everything from that module. Okay, after that guys, we will create a variable name. I am giving it a screen. Okay, then write capital T and small k. Okay, this is our screen. It means you can say this is our Tkinter window name, that is screen. Okay, so here you can see that appears. You can resize it also. Okay. Now guys, the most important part of the Tkinter is their widgets. Okay, so let's start. We will start from entry widget. So before starting entry widget, we will understand that how to give a geometry and title to a Tkinter window. So we will give a geometry. So we will write screen means our Tkinter window dot geometry. In that we will define its dimension like 500 by 500. Remember to write here x. It is x. Okay, now let's give it a title. So we will write screen dot title. Okay, so let's give it title hello Tkinter. Okay, then we start entry widget. So basically guys, entry widget is used to display single line text field such that we can take input from the user and user will enter in that area. That is entry widget. Okay, now the question is how we can implement our entry widget. Okay, so let's see. So we will create a variable I and then we write entry. Remember guys, first letter will be capital, other will be small. Okay, so we are going to create this entry widget in a screen window, means Tkinter window. So we will write here a screen. Okay, now we will write width, means we will decide the width of that widget. Okay, let's create it 15. Now the font, we are creating the font of the text, that will be Arial, and size let's create 15. Okay, after that we will give the foreground, means foreground of the text, that will be red, and the background as blue. Okay, blue. Okay, now if we will run now. Okay, so as you can see nothing will happen. This is because guys, in every widget we have to give it a place in the Tkinter window, means we have to give it a exact place. Okay, so here I am creating I dot place pack. Okay, okay, run. So as you can see guys, there is our entry widget. Now the question arises, is the only method available for giving the place? So no, there are many more methods. Okay, and pack is used to place the widget at the middle of the line. As you can see, it is in the middle of this Tkinter window. Okay, so let's see more methods. Okay, as you can see, the place pack method we have used already, and the grid method is used in a table like structure. In that we will give like row equals to this and column equals to this. And the place method, we will give the coordinate exact, like x equal to this and at y equals to this. Okay, so let's try out other methods. Okay, so I am using here grid instead of pack. Okay, so I have to give column equals to row equals to 1 and column equals to, suppose let's enter 2. Okay, so let's run and see. Okay, so it appears here. Okay, now let's use place method. So dot place. Okay, now I have to give the coordinates. So I will get x equals to 50 and y is equals to 60. So oh sorry, y equals to 60. Okay, so let's run. Okay, as you can see it appears here. Okay, so now we are going to take another widget, that is label. Okay, so label is a widget that is used to provide a single line caption. It means we want to print a single line on the Tkinter window. Okay, so let's see how to use it. So first we will create a variable L and then we will write label, and that we will write in the screen that we are giving a text on the screen. Remember guys, in label first letter will be capital, rest all small. So let's give the text that welcome to our channel. Okay, so now we are going to give it a font same. Okay, so let's copy. Okay, paste. Okay, and increase the size as 19. Okay, now give its background as foreground as red and background as black. Okay, now we have to place it, so we will use L dot place at x equals to 90 and y equals to, let's say, 160. Okay, and one thing remember guys, you can't use pack and the grid at a time. You have to use either pack or either grid. Okay, so now we will learn about next widget, that is frame. Basically a frame is a rectangular region that is used to group relate widgets or provide padding between them. Okay, let's see, means it's a rectangular region basically. Okay, let's see how we can implement it. Before that, let me tell you one thing. In the end, remember to guys write screen.mailoop, means whatever you have named the Tkinter window, that dot mailoop to run that all program. Okay, so now let's create a variable frame. Okay, now again write frame, but remember first letter capital, rest small. Now we are going to create frame screen, so screen. Okay, and height we have to give. Okay, so let's give it 50 and width 50 same. Okay, so let's place it at frame.place. Remember guys, you have to place every widget. Okay, so at 200 and 300. Okay, so till now, as frame is not of our use, so we will talk it about later. So now let's move to the another widget, that is button. That is important widget. So button widget, basically you have got idea from the name only that button is used to display button in your application. Okay, so let's see. First we will create a variable named button. Okay guys, now as you can see, we will write first letter capital and button BUTTON. Okay, now as we have to place the button on screen, so on the screen, and width we will create it as 10. Text we will give it as start. Okay, text on the button that will show to us, that will be start. Okay, now we will place, so button dot place at x equals to let's say 190 and y equals to, let's say, 300. Okay, so 290. Okay, now I'm removing this frame there because this one no use of us now. Okay, so let's run and see. Oh sorry, I forgot to place bracket, close bracket. Okay, so now let's run. Okay, as you can see we have a button, but at this time this is of our no use. Okay, so now guys, how we can give a task, means how we will give a command to a button. So for that we have to write here command and give it a function, let's say s. We are passing command that whatever written in the s function you have to do after pressing button. So let's define a function s. Okay, and let's print hi. Okay, okay, print hi. Okay, and remember guys, this hi will not printed in the tkinter window. Okay, okay, so let's run and see what happened. Oh sorry, I forgot to use here comma. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Now let's run and see. Okay. So as you can see, guys, when we click on start, it will show hi 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 hi. Okay. As these are the outputs. Okay. So that's it for today guys, and remember guys, this is our first tutorial. Similarly I will tell you widgets. Basically there are 15 widgets in tkinter Python, so we are going to learn basics of them. We are not going in that much detail. Okay, and from that we will connect our projects also. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.